For many millennia, the Indus has nurtured this land which we now call Pakistan. And it's nurtured it and made it possible for Pakistan as we know it today to be the country that we are all familiar with and the country we call home. And it's done it because of mainly two major natural systems. The first is the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the glaciers upon them, which melt and feed the Indus every summer. The second is the monsoon, which comes up every year through the systems from the Arabian Sea and gives the rain that nurtures and fills the agricultural basins of Pakistan. For the last many centuries, there's been a predictability in those patterns. That is no longer true. And with the kind of impact that climate change is having on the world and on Pakistan, we can no longer predict the glacial melt, nor can we predict the seasonality or the volume of the monsoons, which basically means that the irrigation systems, the agricultural systems, the entire survival of Pakistan, which depended on the Indus Basin and its continued health, is no longer a given. We need to plan for the future in terms of what climate means for Pakistan in the next few centuries. And therefore, the Indus strategy, the Indus plan, which looks forward and looks to predict what will happen in the future and how best we need to respond to it, the people of Pakistan, by movement which we are generating through the Indus plan and by the 25 interventions, all of which are going forward for funding in order to ensure a future sustainable Indus Basin and a future sustainable Pakistan.